Hi everyone, and welcome to another Mobile Data unboxing video. Today we have something special, something interesting. We have the new Redmi Note 7. This is that famous device that came in China and that costs very little. So let's crack the box open and see what we have inside. As you can see here, this is the global version, which means that this particular phone, this particular unit is a little bit more expensive. The Chinese version is the cheap one, but still the contents of the box are the same. So let's crack it open and see what exactly we have inside the factory box. Right off the bat, I have to say that this box looks really nice. It is well made, it is sturdy. It's cool. Okay, so at the very beginning, we have the user manuals, your standard Xiaomi user manuals, and again, standard, pretty much every Xiaomi device has this. There's a silicon protection case. It's a really nice one, and it has a really nice touch here that says designed by me. Okay. Here we have the phone itself. We'll leave it to the side for now. Next up, there's the fast charging adapter. This is the 18-watt fast charging adapter, so it will charge the device quite quickly. Since this phone has 4000 mAh battery, the charger should charge it up fully in about 1 hour and 40 minutes. We will test this in our review, so later you can come back and check exactly how fast the device charges. Anyway, furthermore, inside the box there's the USB Type A to Type C charging and data transfer cable. This is your standard Xiaomi cable. More inside. Yeah, there's nothing else. Okay, so let's peel the foil from the display. This is so nice. And let's boot the device. Let's boot the device up. While it's booting up, there's also a foil on the back, so let's peel it off also. The phone looks really nice, I have to say. It looks as if it's made of glass. It's in this really nice black color. The front of the device and the front panel, as you can see, has a water drop type notch at the very top. So it looks really nice. The MIUI 10 is, of course, on top of the Android 9.0 Pie on this device. So we'll have to set it up and see what exactly this phone operates like. For a full review, stay with us to find out exactly our thoughts and opinions about this phone. This has been the unboxing experience of the Xiaomi Note 7. So thank you for watching and stay with us to find out exactly what we think about everything.